Well, Donald Trump also signed an executive order to increase tariffs on Canadian goods imported to the United States from 25% to 35%. Now, the new import tax rates go into effect today, according to a White House fact sheet. In fact, the White House claimed that Trump had increased tariffs on Canada because it had failed to act on the public health crisis caused by fentanyl and illicit drugs flowing across the northern border into the United States. However, in the early hours of Thursday morning, Trump had posted on social media that he might not strike a deal with Canada on tariffs as punishment for his decision to recognize the state of Palestine. Maha Siddiqui has been tracking the latest and how Canada is reacting. She joins us live from Vancouver at the moment. Maha, Trump has raised tariffs on Canadian imports to 35% just hours after criticizing the Palestinian stance. Take us through the reactions in Canada so far.
Well, at the moment, Canada is consistent on its stand that it will recognize Palestine as a state in the upcoming UNGA, that is the United Nations General Assembly, in September. And it says that it gets the strength as an independent country, as a sovereign nation, but with allies and partners coming along together on this issue, for instance, France and the United Kingdom. And therefore, for the moment, it remains committed to this intention that Mark Carney himself announced yesterday of recognizing Palestine as a state in UNGA in September. Now, as far as the tariffs issue is concerned, we can see that Donald Trump is now conflating several issues with this. It started off with fentanyl, the issue of fentanyl, and the issue of illegal immigrants crossing over from the northern border of the United States, that is from Canada. It has now gone down to unfairly meting out structures of tariffs to the farmers. He says they are being tariffed almost 200%, and that farmers and dairy products coming in from farm products and dairy products coming in from Canada will therefore be tariffed by the United States as well. And now he is now associating this 35% tariff on non-CUSMA compliant goods coming in from Canada to the stand on Palestine that Canada has taken. So several issues being conflated there, Parmeshwar, as you can clearly see. Although Donald Trump has said that he's upset with Canada's decision on Palestine, but he's also pointed out that it's not likely to be a deal breaker between the two countries. They have been negotiating on a trade deal for a long time, but Mark Carney had pointed out, Parmeshwar, that it is possible that that trade deal might not be complete before the 1st of August. That was the deadline given by the White House. And therefore, the 35% tariff on non-CUSMA compliant goods will come into effect midnight today.
As always, Maha, thank you so much for taking us through all the latest.